Today I'll show you how to download and install w3 Rocket latest version. Let's start work. First go to the Caesar US and find w3 Rocket and click the download button. Scroll down and click download button, and here waiting 20 to 30 seconds. Then you get this type download file. Now go to your plugin, add new, upload plugin, and choose your recently downloaded file and install. Upload complete. Now click to active plugin. Plugin activated. Now go to WP setting. No thanks. And here is license infinity and expiration date July 2091. That means unlimited time you can use this. Thank you.